Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะ HalfThai Irish วันนี้เราจะมาทำไก่ผัดขิงกันนะคะ We are going to make ไก่ผัดขิง or chicken ginger so I will give you a very easy recipe to follow me We are started with how to prepare and then what about ingredients look like and somebody they wonder how can get the ingredients for this recipe so I gonna show you what that look like and you gonna make it if you got the same ingredients you're gonna get the same taste with what I give it to you okay let's do it guys okay you peel ginger first and slice for get few pieces and chop it to make it smaller like what I doing now so see So then I have got 2 cloves of garlic. Then you must to pop and chop it to make it like small pieces. This one they call dried black fungus.It's not much taste, but it's crunchy texture. So I got it from Chinese shop. If you went to shopping or you can look for this thing. It's lovely too. Good for try something new. When you take it out from the package, you will get it very dry. So you need to soak with the water maybe 15 or 20 minutes.You will get it like what I have it now. And then you need to cut it or chop it to make it small. And look at this with the middle of it. A little bit tough. You can cut it out like this. So then you cut it. It's make it smaller. Don't worry how it's small like.Just like it's easy for you to eat it. That's all. This is the scallion. I use 2 scallion. I already watch it. And when you cut it, you cut its side long like 1 inch, like this. 2 chicken breasts and slice it.1 small onion. Now chop it. So now let's see our ingredients. 2 chicken breasts. And you chop like this. 4 dried black fungus mushroom. 2 scallion. 1 onion.2 cloves of garlic and 4 slices of ginger and 1 chilli. For chilli, I will add it after I take some ไก่ผัดขิง or chicken ginger for my kids first and then I will add it after that for my meal because it's gonna be really spicy for them. Oyster sauce, soybean paste.You can get from Chinese shop and Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. Just I love it. Make taste is lovely. I can't forget 1 teaspoon of chicken powder and 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. And you heat the wok to make it hot. So.You put the sunflower oil then for 3 spoons. 1, 2, and 3. 3 tablespoons. Sorry, I didn't say it like what spoon size. You added ginger and garlic to cook first because taste of ginger and garlic.It will not too strong and smell is nice. You stir until you can see the color of garlic is changed. Then now see I show you. Garlic is changed. That means they are cooked. So then you add chicken and cook until chicken is done. You can see chicken when it's done, it's gonna look like white. So you will know anyway when chicken is done. Then I add chicken powder and 1 tablespoon of soybean paste. This one is taste salty. Some of them they call salty beans. Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, 1 tablespoon. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And then stir it well. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add some water, 200 milliliter. Add some onion. Dried black fungus. 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce. And now this time you can add some chili in, but for me I gonna wait it. Add some scallion and stir. Now it's time for take some for smallie, and after this I can add some chili for my meal, my dishes. And this is for Alex and Olin. And then I can add some chili and stir it. Now it's very easy and brilliant tasty. Look at Olan, and he said it's very nice. Now it's all done. I hope the recipe that I give you is easy to follow. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe so you can follow me on HalfThai Irish channel. Have a great day, everybody. Bye. See you next time.